go wrong with a little black dress, classic and timeless, and this one is a bit sassy. It's slightly shorter but still classy and fabulous when paired with sheer tights, Manolo Blahnik mules and a wire-style brooch. I've also added a wool coat over the top for warmth and an added elegant feel. I love sheer tights, there's something so beautiful about them for evening wear and paired with a mule for an elegant look which shows off the legs in a sophisticated way. Next we have this blazer maxi skirt combo. This is sophisticated and elegant twist on an evening wear outfit. One colour top to bottom, gives the illusion of height and looks more expensive and well put together. Next we have another blazer and skirt combo. I love this look, it's just super sophisticated and different from the usual evening wear attire. The hourglass structure of the blazer provides a flattering silhouette, and for those girlies that want to add curve, this is a great way of doing so in a subtle way. Again, the fluidity of the skirt provides for a feminine and flattering silhouette. Number 4, the dress of dreams for evening wear, in my opinion. I love the long sleeve maxi cut of this dress, and I love that this dress has these side ruffles to add interest to the dress. Again, an amazing dress for women who want to add curve, as the volume of the ruffle will give the illusion of curve. Next, a traditional tailored suit in white is such a great alternative to a dress to add a more masculine structured look to your evening. Add a brooch to soften the look and add your personality to the look. Or if you want a more clean, simple, classic look, you don't need to add a brooch. Such a classic and timeless look. You could also add the blazer with the flared jeans for a more smart, casual evening look, which allows for a very flattering silhouette and elongates the legs. Again, I've paired this with Manolo Blahnik mules.